Hi all, this is Wonky HomeLife. I saw a baby bush turkey walking up my driveway and I decided to investigate. What I saw was very interesting. My neighbour's cat was out and about as well. What was the bird thinking? There was going to be a battle. Should the baby bush turkey be afraid? I would think so. Well, the bush turkey was foraging for food. They eat insects, seeds and fruit, always scratching the ground and pecking at anything. He got scared and ran straight up the driveway towards the hungry, stalking cats. The bush turkey was going to be in terrible danger. What? The bird just ignored the cat. It kept on scratching the ground and pecking at everything. The cat watched. The bird walked straight towards it, really close. The cat chattered at the bird. Yes, chattered at the bird. They believe that cats do this as they are very frustrated when they can't catch their prey. The baby bush turkey was brave and bold. It just bolted behind the cat. The cat couldn't believe it and looked back at me with dismay. If you like my videos and want to see more, give a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.